Hey everyone! How's it going? My name is Henry. In this video, I'll share everything you need to know about Mitolyn before you decide to buy it. Plus, I have some important warnings for you, so make sure to watch this video until the end to avoid wasting your money. Important warning. Be very careful about where you purchase Mitolyn. Right now, the product is only available on the official website. To make it easy for you, I've added the official website link in the video description and pinned comment below. I'm here in the corner of the screen, sharing my experience and helping you find out if Mitolyn really works. What is Mitolyn? Mitolyn is a dietary supplement designed to support mitochondrial function, boost cellular energy, and enhance overall vitality. It contains a powerful blend of ingredients that promote mitochondrial health, which is crucial for energy production in the body. How does Mitolyn work? Mitochondria, known as the powerhouses of our cells, are responsible for generating ATP, the main energy source for our bodies. Mitolyn works by improving mitochondrial efficiency, combating oxidative stress, reducing fatigue, providing essential nutrients for optimal cellular function. Key ingredients in Mitolyn. While the exact formula may vary, Mitolyn typically contains coenzyme Q10, supports energy production and acts as a powerful antioxidant. Alpha-lipoic acid, helps fight oxidative stress and supports metabolism. L-carnitine, transports fatty acids into mitochondria for efficient energy production. PQQ, promotes mitochondrial growth and supports brain function. Magnesium, essential for ATP production and muscle function. B vitamins, crucial for energy metabolism and nerve function. Benefits of Mitolyn. Many users report experiencing increased energy levels, supports ATP production for better physical and mental performance. Reduced fatigue, helps fight chronic fatigue by optimizing mitochondrial function. Enhanced cognitive function, supports brain health, focus, and memory. Improved metabolic efficiency, aids in better nutrient absorption and metabolic health. Stronger immune system, antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. So, if you are looking for a way to boost your energy, improve focus, and support overall health, Mitolyn might be worth trying. Remember, get Mitolyn only from the official website to ensure you're getting a genuine product.